Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, I will show you how to use Super Productivity properly. This tool is built for people who like structure, people who want a simple, no nonsense way to manage daily work. Let's walk through it step by step. This is their homepage. This is how it looks like. Before we jump in, I just want to give you guys a heads up. This productivity tool is different. There is no login, no sign up. You have to either download the web app or download the app at hand. I also do have the web app. It's also downloaded. It's kind of free, guys. It's kind of safe also. So this is how the interface looks once you have downloaded it. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. As you can see, we are in. Super productivity is inspired by to do TXT content. This makes tasks simple, tastes they are text based and focus on clarity instead of visuals. The idea is to keep tasks reliable and easy to manage. Now I'm going to show you a couple of features what they have, and then we're going to come back and add some couple of tasks. So they have the today section, which literally is where everything stays. They have the inbox, which is what you have in your inbox, but you do not know what to do with it. Then they have your planner, which whereby you can plan on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so forth on what you're gonna do, and of course schedule things that you're gonna schedule within the week, and you see what you have scheduled and what you're gonna do tomorrow, or you can see what you done in the last week. So as you can see, this view is much better. It shows you a proper view of the whole month. So this really helps you schedule. And we got the Canva board here, which we will be talking about within our strategy. We got also habits where you will be able to add your new habits in terms of what are you doing on your new habits, what certain things have you approached, and you have your projects. This is basically where you create your projects and your list stays. You just create the name, theme, and you just like save it off like that. And if you want to add certain tags representing certain maybe priorities, you can. You've also got a search feature section where you'll be searching maybe certain tasks or certain notes that you may need. And of course, that's it. That's it. So let's go to our today's section. I want us just to type 4 to 5 realistic tasks that you're willing to do today. You just add the date, that's today, schedule also the time, and you like that. If you want to put a tag, estimate how much you're going to take for this, and once you're done, you just press the add. So that's how you just add your text. Just change the time zone, today's, and schedule. And after that, you just add your task. I'm just going to add my last one. Once that is done, the today section is strictly for things that you're going to do today. And as you can see, you have set different time zones so that you know that at what time you're going to start the task and which time you're going to start the other task. So you have already added that's in the today section. If you go to your inbox, also you will see that you got things that you also have written down. But the most thing I'm mostly interested is the board section. The board section, the Kanban style makes it so much easy. As you can see, your tasks are still in the to-do section, meaning that there are things that you have to do. They're not yet in a process of being brought to life. So what you do is when you're having a meeting and it's time to have a meeting, you just hold this and you just drag it into have a meeting section. So automatically you drag it into the process section, signifying that this is in process. This is what I'm doing. I'm focusing my time on this. Once you are done with that, you just slide it into a done section and you get that very good ting bell that says you have completed your work and your task. So that's how I love the Canva style. It makes things much easier. When you send out invoices, it's in process. Once you're done, you just place it done. Automatically, you see that you are using this strategy do in process done, and it works perfectly. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured quickly, daily focus stays flexible, you decide what to work on, and you start immediately. Once you click on the link that is down in the description below for LemTask, if you don't have, it'll take you to this homepage. Once you're in this homepage, just click Get for Free. Once you're here, you can see just put in your full name, email, password, and if you are lucky to have a promo code, for discount you can and you create, and the very best part is when you create your account you get a free starter plan, no credit card required. This is LemTask's dashboard. I just want us to go to the brainstorm section right here. There's a whole lot of features on ways to convert into tasks, but I love using this feature because it makes my life so easy. It's the start voice feature. By using my voice, I just schedule my tasks like this. I'll just make two quick examples for you. Having a meeting with my CEO today. Once that is done, I just extract. The reason why I said today, I wanted it to give me exact dates of today. So once that is scheduled, I just put in my time. I just choose low, medium, high priority. And I just choose, do I want it in my folder? Then I just add it like that. I just scheduled my task by using my voice without any typing. Let's go with it for the second time. Sending out PDFs to my clients today. So once that is done, I just extract, just add my time when I'm going to do that. I just add low, medium, high. I just add it to vibes, then I just do it like that. When I go to my today section, this is where all of my tasks that I have to do today's days. This place only lives and breathes things that you're about to do today, not tomorrow, today. So as I scroll down, sending out PDFs to my clients, having a meeting with my CEO, as you can see, these two have already been scheduled for me by using my voice just right in front of you. So what's left for me is I have to also go to my list to check if it was updated in my folder. It was also, as you can see, sending out PDFs to my clients, having a meeting with my CEO. So when the time hits for me to start my task, I start my task. When I'm done, I just give it a tick to symbolize that it's executed and it's done. Super productivity works best when you keep things simple. Clean tasks, light strategy, and intentional focus. If you like text based control with mild frustration, this setup works well for you.